If your Prusa clone prints work but never look great, the problem is probably not your printer, it's your slicer settings. In this video, I'll show you the best Cura settings for Prusa clones that actually work. Welcome back to Clone Print Lab, where we fix, tune, and push 3D printer clones to their limits. Let's dial in Cura the right way. Section 1. Why default Cura profiles fail. Cura's default profiles are generic. Prusa clones need lower acceleration, more conservative speeds, better first layer control. That's why many prints look rough even when the printer is calibrated. Section 2. Quality settings. What I use. Layer height is 0.2 millimeters. Initial layer height, slightly higher. Enable adaptive layers only after tuning basics. This balances detail and reliability. Section 3. Speed and acceleration. Speed is where most clones fail. My baseline, print speed, moderate, first layer speed, slow, travel speed, controlled. Slower printing equals cleaner layers on clone frames. Section 4. Temperature settings. Temperature must match your filament, not the box. What I do, start at manufacturer recommendation, adjust +5 degrees Celsius based on layer bonding and stringing. Small changes make a big difference. Section 5. Retraction and stringing control. Stringing is a Cura tuning issue, not a hardware issue. My approach: retraction distance, conservative. Retraction speed, moderate. Enable combing only when needed. Section 6. First layer overrides. Never trust defaults. My rules: first layer speed, slower. First layer temperature, slightly higher. Brim only when necessary. These Cura settings will get you clean, reliable prints on a Prusa clone. If you want my full Cura profile, comment below. Subscribe to Clone Print Lab for more real-world 3D printing fixes.